dollar-size hail. This is the National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for north central Lee, Sueur County until 6:30 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Henderson, or 26 miles north of Mankato, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Lee, Sueur County. This includes U.S. Highway 169 between mile markers 81 and 84. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National